Where's the angry plover? Not happy.
It's pretty interesting.
You caught that? Yeah, he owns the beach, he thinks.
It's like when kids get in a fight at primary school and you separate them and put them at one end of the opposite ends of the room. Time out.
Well, there's no one now. Oh, there's another one coming towards him. To the back, from the back.
I don't think I've ever seen a plover and a seagull fight like that before.
There's another one here. Oh, friends. Just a passerby, I think.
Yeah, doesn't want to be involved. Police go to interview
This
after the crime. Didn't see anything. So
now he's angry with us.
still carrying on here.
I think he's angry with us dying. Do you think? Are you angry with us?
Just giving us the aerial of it. Bro.
Maybe we should approach it and say hello. Okay, there's another.
That one's just flying in.
This one has a
Coming in
different.
fruits.
This one has a different face. This one could be a young one. Oh, this is a baby. I mean, what do you call that? A juvenile. Can you see? Can you tell difference?
What, the one in the middle is a juvenile?
Yeah, it's huge, but it's a juvenile because it looks sort of juvenile-ish.
Right.
The light.
David Attenborough.
It's the color, I'm telling you, I'm right. This is the teenager.
Is the colour of its legs different?
Yeah, it's lighter color.
This one at the back is the juvenile.
Yeah. Usually they look a bit weird. Like they're not fully,
Yeah.
they haven't taken their...
Bit thinner in the body.
No, the colors are a bit blotchy and spotted.
Bit more gangly.
Yeah, gangly, definitely
Oh,
gangly.
I just did a spin and scared itself.
Oh, this...
Off something. Off it goes.
See, I told you, the parents are not happy. She's trying to fly. And she's not happy with us because we're too near. She's at the awkward age. Why is it not?
Bro.
It can't balance itself? Is it? Wait, what's happening?
I don't know, it's all curious happenings that I'm not familiar to.
My description of this juvenile plover is very amateurish, but I know for sure it's a juvenile.
It's
It's
a bit scared of the. It's
scared of the water.
It's scared of the water.
Yes,
Isn't that funny?
I know.
That's hilarious.
He's playing with the water like
Mate,
how
you're a plover. Get used to it.
it's good. But plovers are not naturally seabirds.
And off they go. Well, that was a bit of entertainment for us. Oh, juvenile's coming around again for a bit of